My name is John Vendafreddo. I'm a project manager for Hogan Design Construction. So yeah, there really isn't an average day. Every day is very different. The projects I work on are very different. I've managed projects from small little hall bathrooms to new construction houses to big commercial projects. So I got involved with a project for a paraplegic, and I helped from the get-go, meeting with the customer, meeting with the designers and the architects, and tailoring this home to his needs. We put in, an elevator, ceiling lifts. There's no thresholds to get into the house. We put a pool in, has a hot tub, fire pit. Elevator gets him down to the basement where there's a bar and a theater and a couple extra bedrooms and a wine cellar. So this house had everything you could possibly want in a house. The customer was really easy to work with. The design team that we had on it really came together, and from start to finish was a really fun project.